2 times for the birthday, bitch. 3 times for the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your 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 birthday, bitch.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you take your time and hit that subscribe button down below. So I'm back today with another summer makeup look. As you can probably tell, I've got my yellow top on, I've got my earrings on, matching or whatever. But yeah guys, I'm not going to talk too much today. I'm going to jump straight into the video. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start off by priming my eyes using my Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is in the shade C10. I use this in every video. So I'm just going to apply that to my eyelid. And I'm going to use a beauty sponge to blend that in. You're all going to have to excuse me because I'm all up in your grill, I know. I'm going to go ahead and use my Morphe 35B as per usual. And I'm going to go in with this orange shade. Just going to dab that in first. Once I'm done dabbing it in, I'm going to use that same brush and just blend it all in. And then I'm going to go in with this yellow shade, and I'll just use that on the outer corners just to blend them in even more. And I just feel like it gives it a nice transition as well. I'm going to be going in with a flat brush, and I'm going to be using this green shade. Also guys, I forgot to let you know, but you might need to wet your brush before you apply the green colour. And I'm just using my blending brush to quickly clean it up. And I just go in with this shade and just add that to the middle. And I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyelashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and to prime my face today, I'm going to be using my Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer. And I'm just going to apply that to my T-zone, because these are the areas where I get really oily. And a little bit on my forehead. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using my Milani foundation because it's right next to me and I don't see why not use it. So I'm just going to apply that on my face. And I'm just going to blend that in using the foundation brush. And I'm just going to go back in with my beauty sponge and just blend it in even more. For concealer today, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. And I'm just going to highlight my face. And I'm just going to use my beauty sponge and just blend that in. Once that is done, you want to go back in with your foundation brush and just blend out the edges. So now we are nicely highlighted. I'm just going to go ahead and set it using my Sacha Buttercup powder. And I'm not going to bake, by the way. I just like to set my face and then dust it off straight after. So I'm just going to go ahead and dust it all off. So I'm not going to contour my face today. I'm just going to set the rest of my face using my Black & Proud Deluxe Finishing Powder. And you just want to use a little bit of it. I'm just going to shake it a little bit and then spray my face. So I'm just going to add some highlighter to the bridge of my nose. I'm going to be using a Coloured Rain red lipstick. So this is the finished look. I hope you like it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, like, comment, share, and all of that good stuff. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bitch. 2 times for the birthday, bitch. 3 times for the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if